So I'm here on MacArthur Highway with the famous and very lovely Angel May. Okay.
Exercise good.
Is exercise good?
Yeah.
Diba?
And we go to city.
Yeah. So how do you like the location? Is it you? U-turn?
Yeah. Diba?
Diba?
No.
So
Good.
so do you usually shop here around here?
Shopping?
Yeah, do you usually shop around here like at the Pure Gold?
No.
Not really, right?
I don't have money. If I have money, I'm shopping. I don't have money.
But for like food and stuff. Gotta keep on going down this way.
Wrong way.
Yeah, you have to go down more towards the Pure Golds over here. Oh, this place is really popular. This bakery. This is where they have cookies there. What's that? Shao Mai. That was the Shao Mai cart. The Granny's favorite famous bakery. Very crowded place. It's always crowded over there, that place. That bakery. And the jeepney. It's a little sorry store right here. Yeah, this is a small one right there. Diba? Asia May, have you ever worked in one of the bars before? Because you...
Before I worked in a bar, but
Okay.
I stopped just on the one day because I don't like they wear D-box, and then some foreigner they put some money, pussy. That's why I don't like.
So, which bar did you work?
Lollipop, 17 years old. But now I'm 22.
No, I mean, which bar was it? Viking? Was it?
No. Lollipop.
Oh, Lollipop. Oh, you worked in Lollipop.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's only one day.
Yeah, I could see you working in Lollipop. Yeah, you get the cross over here. The ba?
Diba?
Yeah, you just have to cross over here when you're ready. Angel May, a true Filipina, because we have to cross over here. I think. Yeah, over here. Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna pedestrian. Just like before,
Diba?
before you gonna go there, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. Before I was over there, that was Dr. A apartment.
Oh, hold this one.
All right, now I'm over here now in a cheaper apartment because I'm living here long term, so I had to go someplace cheaper.
Across the line, across the sea.
Diba? So we're in Lakandula right now. This is Lakandula, barangay.
Barangay?
Yeah. This is my barangay. Diba?
Diba? Diba? Means right. Diba? Diba? See, diba?
So what other words do you know? Can you teach me besides diba? What's popular words?
What is your name means just like anong pangalan mo?
I know.
Anong pangalan mo?
That's a very popular. That's a very popular term as well. I know.
What is your name?
What is your name?
Pangalan mo?
So Angel May, what province are you from?
Huh?
What province are you from?
I born in Pangasinan, but I live here when I was 1 year old.
Is that Mindanao or is that
No, near in Manila.
oh, it's near Manila. Okay.